Today's video takes you into the heart of an unusual and extreme auto repair project. Instead of using lifts or professional equipment, a group of dedicated mechanics work together to tilt a car onto its side and weld the heavily rusted underbody. The video begins with a humorous moment. One of the workers accidentally slips and falls in front of the car, creating a lighthearted but carefree atmosphere before the real work begins. Despite the laughter, the team gathers serious strength. With a combined effort, they tip the car onto its side and secure it with heavy metal pipes to keep it from falling. The safety measures may not meet professional standards, but these guys rely on their experience and practical skills to get the job done. Once the car is in place, the extent of the damage becomes apparent. The rear deck and trunk floor are heavily rusted, the subframe mounting points are damaged, and the entire underbody shows significant wear. These areas need to be reinforced with new metal patches and carefully welded to restore the car's structure. The repair begins with preparation. One mechanic sands away rust and cuts out rotted areas, while another chisels and shapes metal sheets to fill them. Sparks fly as the team welds new steel to the trunk and subframe. Conditions are far from ideal. The only fire safety precaution is a man with a plastic bottle pouring water on the hot metal to prevent combustion. The car's integrity is gradually restored. Patches are welded in, seams are reinforced, and even the exhaust pipe is given new life with a quick weld. Finally, after several hours of painstaking labor, the team mounts the car. The result may not look factory fresh, but given the limited tools and resources, it's a remarkable achievement. This video isn't just about car repair. It's about perseverance, teamwork, and creativity with limited equipment. These mechanics prove that with determination and experience, even a nearly hopeless car can be brought back to life. Would you trust your car to their hands? Or do you think this kind of garage welding is too extreme?